Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can automatically share your Instagram story to Facebook. So here, just open your Instagram apps on your phone and here click on the your story and go to the settings, click on the gear icon at the top and click on this story to go to the story settings. And you can just scroll down and here under the sharing section in the bottom there is this share your story to Facebook option. So you need to enable this. So if you enable this, you can you can automatically share your Instagram story as your Facebook story. So just click on the circle until it turns to blue, then click on done, and that's it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.